Electrical Circuit Symbols by KayScience.com. In this video, we're going to go through the name and symbol of different components that can be found in an electrical circuit. A cell is drawn like this. The long side is always on the left and is the positive terminal. The shorter side is on the right and is the negative terminal. The job of the cell is to push electrons around the circuit. This is the battery. A battery is just two or more cells connected end to end to make a battery. This is a switch which is open. The circuit is broken so the electric current cannot flow around the circuit. Therefore, the circuit is off. This is a switch which is closed so the circuit is on. The electric current is able to flow around the electric circuit. This is a filament lamp or bulb. It can be recognized by the circle with two lines coming out of it with a cross in the middle of the circle. The filament in a bulb gives out light as it is heated by an electrical current. An ammeter can be recognized by a circle with two lines coming out of it and a capital A in the middle of the circle. The job of the ammeter is to measure the electric current in units of amperes or amps for short. The voltmeter can be recognized by drawing a circle with two lines coming out of it with a capital V in the middle. The voltmeter measures the potential difference in units of volts. The resistor can be recognized by drawing a long rectangle with lines coming out of it. The job of a resistor is to limit the flow of an electric current. The resistance does not change, it is fixed. A variable resistor looks like a resistor, except there's a diagonal line going from the bottom to the top. A variable resistor also limits the flow of the electric current. However, the resistance can be changed, it is variable. A fuse can be recognized by the long rectangle with a line going straight through the middle. If a problem in the circuit causes too much electric current to flow, the fuse breaks the circuit and the electric current stops flowing. A thermistor looks like this. It has the long rectangle with the lines coming out of it, and then it looks like a hockey stick going through the thermistor. The thermistor is sensitive to temperature. It has a high resistance at low temperatures and a low resistance at high temperatures. A diode can be recognized by drawing a circle with a line going through the middle and then drawing a triangle with a small line just next to that triangle. The job of a diode is it allows the electric current to flow in one direction only, stopping it in the opposite direction. That triangle actually represents an arrow, and because the arrow is to the right, in this diode, the electric current can only flow in that direction, to the right. An LED, or light-emitting diode, is drawn just like a diode, except there are two arrows coming out of it to the top right. In a light-emitting diode, light is given out when an electric current flows through in one direction. Those two lines represent the light being emitted, and the arrow, in this case going to the right, represents how the electric current can only flow in that one direction. In an LDR, light-dependent resistor, the symbol has a resistor in the middle with a circle going around that resistor and then two small arrows to the top left pointing into the LDR. The LDR is sensitive to light. At high light intensity, it has a low resistance, and at low light intensity, it has a high resistance. A heater looks like a resistor, except there are four lines in that resistor drawn equally spaced apart. A heater heats the surroundings by transferring energy from the electric current to the surroundings. Pause this video to complete this task, which is to draw the correct circuit symbol for each component. The answers will follow. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.